For the millions of American families who rely on food stamps, the end of the school year means fewer steady meals for their children.
It's really the summer months, June, July, August, that are the hardest for people facing hunger.
And this summer, the Trump administration's sweeping cuts to SNAP may add to that yearly challenge.
I was getting them, and then all of a sudden they just stopped. Like, I just recently got laid off. So they cut me off unemployment and they cut me off food stamps, like, at the same time.
Milton Liu says he has seen record demand at the food bank he leads in Arizona, but the number of people on SNAP has been cut in half, according to state data.
So we see 250,000 visits every month across our network. And that number is 10 to 15% higher than last year.
And the limited data we have suggests almost half of the people who stopped receiving benefits a year after the president signed the so-called One Big Beautiful Bill, children. At least 800,000 kids impacted nationwide, according to a recent analysis by the Center on Budget and Policy Priorities.
That number of children is actually only for 13 states because it's only 13 states that actually track how many people are on SNAP based on age. So we really think it's even bigger.
And now, the first summer since the SNAP cuts took effect,
without the school meals, families are spending more of their resources, their SNAP resources and their other limited grocery resources on food for their children.
Many major American cities have offered free summer meals to kids for years. And some places are expanding programs to meet increased need. Officials in Austin, Texas are rushing to open more food pantries, but they won't be open until the fall. In Virginia, the organization No Kid Hungry is helping to fund programs that provide cash to children to help buy groceries, as well as free meals throughout the summer. And in Harrison County, Mississippi, the school district is now letting parents pick up a full week's worth of meals in one trip. We reached out to the White House about the impact of the cuts to SNAP, especially on children, and did not hear back. But experts say passing the responsibility from the federal government to local governments and food banks is less effective and more costly.
When you think of SNAP, families are getting assistance to purchase groceries. They're recycling that money quickly back into their communities. Food banks are just not set up to provide the level of support that a program like SNAP can.
Major hunger relief organization Feeding America says SNAP provides 9 meals for every meal its food bank network distributes.
Just nationally, food banks could only replace less than 10% of the value of SNAP benefits.
As the summer heats up, so does the race to make sure America's children are fed.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.